Are you a gym owner struggling to get new members? What if I tell you you can launch a high converting meta ads for your gym in just 2 minutes? Hey everyone, Mahi this side. If you are a gym owner and you want to run meta ads for your fitness center, then today's tutorial is exactly for you. Because in this video, I am going to show you how you can create and launch a powerful meta ad for your gym in under 2 minutes and get amazing results. So let's get started. Now for today example, we are actually going to create and run real ad for gold ship right in front of you everything. So I'll show you the complete process step by step so you understand exactly how it works. Here is the interesting part. I'll show you how to use AI to create powerful ad creative and high converting ad copies even if you have never made an ad before. So make sure you stay till the end because this video can be complete game changer for you no matter which industry you are in. So today we are using GrowTake AI. So in this GrowTake AI, the most exciting part is if you use this AI, you won't need any media buyer, graphic designer, or even an agency. AI will handle everything for you from creative to copy, saving you both time and money. So first, we will have to create a account in GrowTech AI. Once your account is set up, the next step is to connect the platform where you want to run ad. Let me show you the dashboard. You can see the entire dashboard here. Here on dashboard, you will see the brand tab. When you open this, you will find available platform listed here. Okay. So whichever platform you want to run your ad, just click the connect button and link your ID and you are all set. So your platform get connected instantly and you can start running your ad easily. So now go to the brand info section, paste the website link. As you can see, I already paste here the website link. So after that, we are hit the button of get data from website. Okay, after a few seconds, you will see the AI extracting important data like logo, color, brand details. We can also change anything if we want, like there is a primary color which is green. I can change into a red or any desired color. Okay, we can also change anything if we want. Let's check every box one by one. Like there is name, industry, description. Okay. We can also select our marketing goals right here. There is a arrow button. We have to just click and for now I am choosing bring visitor to my website and get more cost. You can choose anything there. Okay. Next, you can also attach here your phone number. Then we go to the brand voice. Here is a default brand voice and also many suggestion option. We can choose anyone. For now, I go with this default description or a brand voice. So next, the main section is product and details. We need to choose the product and service. You will see all gym service related to Gold's Gym. For now, I just choose the gym membership like here, like this. Okay. If you want more product or feel something is missing, you can check all this option and proceed. Till now, we have given GrowTech AI all the information about our branding voice, our product or service. So the AI can analyze everything and create the best marketing campaign for us. Now we are going to the advertise tab. We want to run ads on Meta, so we choose Meta. So you can see the dashboard here. So our first step is to decide the goal. So I go to this box. You can see there is a several options like drive lead. If we going for drive lead, there is lead, phone calls, lead messages in website, traffic, product catalog, sales. I choose traffic. So there is selecting your advertising product. Then I choose the product, which one is Gold Gym India Fitness Center membership. Now our final step is add raw asset. Here when we click the plus icon, you can see I have already uploaded many photos as you can see. So but we can also take photos directly from website. How? Go to website. You can see your website link here. So Just hit the search button. So GrowTake AI will properly analyze the website, and after analyzing it will be show all the photos available on your website. You can see here, right? So from here I am selecting two course videos or photos like this one, done, like this one, choose one more like this. You have to fix the aspect ratio. As you can see, I am adjusting the aspect ratio. Okay, done. So now we hit the generate button. You can see in just a few minutes the ad is ready. The campaign is ready. The ad copy is ready with primary text and headline. Targeting is also ready. You can see the background work. GrowTake AI is reading the website, understanding your business, generating targeting, writing ad copy, and finance. For the entire steps, it will just take 2 minutes. Now you can see all your creatives, your ad campaign is fully ready. So everything is done by GrowTech. All the primary texts are here. You can also change here like this. If you want shorter, if you want longer, if you want to change any tone, you can change from here. And there is already headline options. You can also change the call to actions like for this, I would like to line A option. In the targeting section, you can see that all targeting done by AI. You can also target manually. That is the option available. I show you. But for now, we are continue with the GrowTech AI targeting. So there is a many advanced feature that can make your creativity better. Like I show you the options right here, like generate with AI, product shot. Just you have to upload here pictures, key prompt, and tap to generate. It will be generated ad copy. We are close to launching our campaign. We decide the budget. So AI also keeps suggestions because we are very confusing that how much we have to spend. Okay, right there is a recommendation option. Suppose my gym membership is 2000 Indian rupees and tap to the generate button. Now AI gives me the suggested budget. If we spend this amount, we can expect this result. AI is suggested us. So if you want faster growth, increase the budget. Now our ad is ready to launch. Just click the launch button. The ad is launched. In just a few steps, you run an ad with GrowTech AI and you replaced a media buyer, graphic designer, even an agency. And the most impressive feature, the AI optimize your ad 24 into 7. So if you are from any industry and your goal is run ad by yourself, go to the GrowTech AI website and connect with us. You can also use the free trial, run your ads without delay. Thank you for watching.